In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable MPO in Windows 11. MPO, or Multiplane Overlay, is a Windows display feature that can sometimes cause issues like screen flickering, stuttering, or strange behavior with certain apps and games. Disabling it can be a useful troubleshooting step if you're running into these kinds of problems. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process carefully, so follow along on your own PC as we go. We'll be doing this using the Windows Registry, so it's important to move slowly and deliberately. Making incorrect changes in the registry can affect how your system behaves. Before we start, I recommend closing any unnecessary programs, and if you'd like, you can also create a system restore point so you have a safety net to go back to. First, open the Start menu and type Registry Editor into the search bar. When you see the Registry Editor app appear in the results, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. This opens the main Registry Editor window, which is where all of Windows configuration data is stored. On the left side, you'll see a tree of folders called Keys. We're going to navigate through these to reach the display settings. Carefully expand the folder labeled HKL Local Machine, then expand System. Inside there, go down to Current Control Set, then Control, and then Graphics Drivers. Take your time and make sure you're in the Graphics Drivers key before moving on. Now we're going to create a new value that tells Windows to turn off MPO. In the right-hand pane, right-click an empty area and choose New. Then select DQWORD 32-bit value. A new entry will appear, ready to be renamed. Type in Overlay Test Mode exactly, with no spaces and matching capitalization. Then press Enter to confirm the name. Next, double-click the Overlay Test Mode value you just created. A small window will pop up. Make sure the base is set to hexadecimal, and then in the Value Data field, type the number 5. Click OK to save the change. This instructs Windows to effectively disable the MPO feature. Once that's done, you can close the Registry Editor. For the change to fully take effect, restart your computer. After your system reboots, test your games, videos, or apps that were giving you trouble and see if the display issues have improved. If you ever want to undo this change, simply return to the same location in the registry and delete the Overlay Test Mode entry, then restart again.